Ever found yourself wondering if that sleek Tangem wallet in your hand could be your gateway to selling crypto as easily as it stores it? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world of digital assets, convenience and security are paramount. So, let's dive straight into the heart of the matter. Can you actually sell your precious cryptocurrencies directly through your Tangem wallet? Tangem has carved a niche for itself by offering a unique approach to crypto security, a physical, tamper-proof card that holds your private keys. It's designed with simplicity and security in mind, allowing you to manage your digital assets offline, shielding them from the vulnerabilities of online exchanges and software wallets. Think of it as a highly secure vault for your crypto, fitting right in your pocket. Now, while Tangem excels at safeguarding your digital treasures, its primary function, at least in its current iteration, is focused on secure storage, sending, and receiving cryptocurrencies. The core design philosophy revolves around keeping your private keys offline and making transactions straightforward. This means that direct selling functionalities, the kind you might find on centralized exchanges, aren't built directly into the Tangem wallet interface itself. Think of it this way: your Tangem wallet is like a super secure safety deposit box for your valuables. You can put things in, and you can take things out, but you wouldn't typically conduct a sale directly from within the box. You'd usually take the item out and then go to a marketplace to find a buyer. However, this doesn't mean your Tangem wallet is isolated from the selling process. It plays a crucial role as the secure custodian of your assets. When you decide to sell your crypto, you will typically need to interact with a cryptocurrency exchange, a platform where buyers and sellers connect. Here's where your Tangem wallet comes into play. To sell your crypto on an exchange, you'll first need to transfer your desired cryptocurrency from your Tangem wallet to your exchange account. This process involves using the send function within the Tangem app, specifying the recipient address provided by the exchange, and confirming the transaction. Thanks to Tangem's emphasis on security, this sending process is robust and transparent, ensuring your funds are transferred safely. Once your crypto arrives in your exchange account, you can then proceed with the selling process according to the exchange's trading interface. You can place sell orders at your desired price, and when a match occurs, the exchange will handle the transaction, converting your crypto into fiat currency or another digital asset, depending on your chosen trading pair. After the sale is complete, you can then withdraw the proceeds from the exchange to your bank account or another wallet. While Tangem doesn't directly facilitate the sale, it remains an indispensable tool in the overall process by providing a secure and reliable way to hold and transfer your cryptocurrency when you decide to sell. So, to reiterate, while you can't directly tap a sell button within the Tangem Wallet app and instantly convert your crypto to cash, your Tangem Wallet is a vital component in the selling journey. It ensures the secure storage and transfer of your assets to the platforms where selling takes place. It's the secure foundation upon which your crypto transactions are built. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.